on the bridge? You like bridges?
I love bridges. Let's go on the bridge. What's that?
They just planted this tree. This one's fake too.
This is a fake tree?
Yeah, it's budding. You see little green buds.
You're right. That's...
Looking away, smiling, waiting.
Just
From up here.
because she said I couldn't take a video, so I did it again. Nice. You gotta watch out for the old, what are they called again? Ajumas. I should learn that one. They're dangerous.
They're dangerous.
You gotta know what the predators are when you're in the forest. Same thing in Korea. They rule with an iron fist. I like that one bonsai. Well, it's not a bonsai. It's a huge tree, actually. So. But it looks like a bonsai, right? That the one back there.
It's a bonsai.
It's huge. It's the size of. I don't think it's in a pot.
Oh.
It's in the ground, but it's trimmed like it's a bonsai, but it's fake big. Like this one.
Oh,
It looks like a bonsai, but it's
what is
huge.
They shaped it like a bonsai. What is it?
Well, maybe it is. I don't know. A tree, I guess.
A tree?
It's a tree, you know.
Nicely trimmed.
Yeah, that's all. It's beautiful.
Let's do the overlook.
It would be a good place to rest.
It's called the Hill of Rest. So.
Yeah, I could see this being a pretty cool spot to.
For my dad to take a nap.
Yeah.
The more you walk, the more you walk.
The more you walk, the more you walk. That's right. It'd be cool if we could turn our little 4.5 acre plot into a cool bonsai garden. I don't think anyone would go there for it unless they could sleep in it. I'm thinking that they come back. Yes, that one. We'll see though. I'm sure some of them were annuals. And a lot of them, I think some of them had bulbs, so those will multiply by themselves. But I'm sure there's a certain amount that we're not. But I'm hoping they have seeds and propagate. It's a good spot. Some nice leaves and such. Good leaves.
Nice foliage.
Mm.
Breathe in the humidity while you can.
What's that?
Breathe in the humidity while you can.
I've actually had kind of dry sinuses here.
Really?
Yeah,
Is it my humidifiers?
maybe.
They never turn off. We always keep them on in the house.
I wonder if they have a whole field of this pink molly. Kind of. Oh, they do. Wow.
이거만 있는 동네가 있어. 하세요. 누가 찍는 거야? 아니에요. 넘어가면 반칙이야.
This one.
Let's see if I can do it. You get your 1,000-year-old tree in it too. So a lot of people, I guess. Yeah, it's too many people. I can't get a good picture. We gotta come earlier.
Can't get rid of them. If only my hair was pink.
Yeah, if your hair was pink, it'd be perfect.
Pink molly.
It is beautiful. I want to get some.
Yeah. I wonder if we can get the seed.
First time I heard you talking about it, I was like, she's doing some interesting drugs.
Chloe, my hair was still pink. I wonder if we can get the seeding.
Well, you could right here. There you go.
Grow from-
There's some seed.
Well, I'm not gonna plant it. I don't have
Space.
space.
I looked online. You can get the seeds.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh okay. Can buy it.
My mom called me Pink Molly when my hair was pink.
I know. Wasn't pink for very long compared to every other hair color you had.
Yeah, that was weeks. That wasn't even a month. It was like just under a month.
It was really soft.
Yeah, I know. I like touching it. It's like touching nothing. No wonder it gives you that illusion. Like it gives such a fuzzy.
Can we go on there?
Yeah, I think that.
You want to go?
I'm not sure. Good try.
Okay. All right, I'm coming. Yeah, I know.
Good. You want to go up there or go down here? Are you
Let's
gonna
go
look
up.
at the house?
Go inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
this way.
Oh, I like the lava rocks that they have on here.
It's delicately watery.
Pretty cool house, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I think I saw that one coming though.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I'm the only one who did it.
Did everyone else say they saw it coming?
Yeah. Because I was like, if I post you on my story, I'm not interested.
Yeah.
I wouldn't